going to try and add some information about the alternators. So we were getting a whirring noise. Seems like this is actually fine, but it just makes a little bit of noise. Now this one, you can see it spins much more freely. What else? Let's add to the video. Okay, I did not have to remove the fan. This tensioner right here got a little dinged up with the alternator on the way out, right there. But I took some advice from another video, loosen up that bolt just to get a little bit more play in this hose, because this AC hose is really in the way. The power steering reservoir, I actually took the bracket off after sliding it up. I think that helped get it more out of the way. Having very pliable hoses here is a requirement. If these hoses are rigid or crack or break, you have a real mess. But you know, I got the power steering thing out of the way. I also even unclipped this. It's very easy to pull up on this clip right here, and it slid off of this to get this alternator wire more out of the way. I think that's it. Now I'm going to try to get my new one in. When I was trying to get the alternator out, I had to bring it up in this way towards the fan to pull it out. Lots of wobbling, but it finally came out.